Understanding the phrase, slippery slope. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, slippery slope. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and more formal contexts. So, if you're ready to enhance your English understanding, let's get started. Slippery slope is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to a situation or argument where a seemingly small action or decision leads to a chain of related events that culminate in a significant, often negative, effect. The key idea here is that the initial step makes subsequent steps seem unavoidable. Just like starting to slide down a slippery hill makes it hard to stop. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal decision. If I skip studying for one test, it's a slippery slope, and soon I might start skipping studying for all my tests. 2. Public policy. Some argue that allowing even minor surveillance measures could be a slippery slope to a surveillance state. These examples show how a small action can lead to a larger, often undesirable, consequence. When you use slippery slope in conversation, it's usually to express concern that a small action could lead to bigger, uncontrollable outcomes. For example, we need to be careful about breaking the rules this time, it's a slippery slope. He started bending the truth in his reports, and it was a slippery slope from there. It's important to note that slippery slope is often used in arguments to warn against a course of action, but it doesn't always mean the negative outcome is guaranteed. Sometimes, it's used to make a cautionary point rather than to predict a certain outcome. So, that's slippery slope for you. A phrase that vividly describes how a small step can potentially lead to a much bigger and more complex situation. We hope this video has been informative and will help you in understanding and using this phrase accurately in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.